Hey, hello, business owners. Marvel and Brown here. Today, we're going to be looking at email and social media. And when you put these two things together, and a lot of people don't realize the relationship between social media and email. And you may be one of those folks. You might be new to social media for business versus what you might do with social media for personal use. And so I'm going to go through a series of videos that walk you through how you're going to put these two things together so that they work for your business. You want social media and email to work together to help you build your business. One of the biggest challenges for business owners is implementing a process or system that brings in a steady flow of leads. So when you have a steady flow of leads, that means that you have a steady flow of people that you can talk to about your business, people that you can introduce to your products and services. So let's take a look at this process from a high level. And then as I go on through this series, you're going to see how these two things are going to work together. So there's a blog post that walks you through social media optimization tips. This is going to be focused on setting up email automation, and there are lots of different resources in that blog post. So I'll put a link to that below this video. But the thing that you want to do is you want to first sign up with an email marketing provider. Now, you may have already done that, and if so, just hang tight. We're going to also take you through the process of creating a lead magnet. And then after that, you want to create an opt-in form. So creating an opt-in form is very easy with the tools that we recommend. Now, you may have other tools that you use, and that's perfectly fine as well. The tool that we use is called Thrive Leads, and we'll also put a link to that below this video. Thrive Leads is going to give you a lot of different options that you can use for opt-in forms, landing pages, thank you pages, and any kind of web-based design that you want to create for your ideal customers so that they can understand more about how your business works and how your business can help them. But you want to create an opt-in form, and then you also want to create a landing page. So this landing page is going to hold your opt-in form. So Thrive Architect will enable you to create a landing page, have an opt-in form on it, and then we're also going to show you how to create a connection between your opt-in form and your email provider. So there has to be that communication between your opt-in form and your email marketing provider to make this work. So we are going to show you how to set all of this up. And then once you have your landing page, you're also going to create a thank you page so that when someone signs up for your information, your lead magnet, anytime they want to get more information and they give you their email address and their contact information, you always want to say thank you. Now, we also show you how to use that thank you page, and you can really leverage your thank you page to do a lot more of the heavy lifting. So these are the steps that we're going to walk you through in subsequent emails. We're also going to have videos. We're going to have like a whole series of things that we're going to do to help you get this system set up. If you don't already have a email automation system set up in your business that utilizes social media, you definitely want to hang out and follow this series. Okay, so thank you for hanging out, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.